Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are here for something very new for you all. We are excited and thrilled to announce our new program, okay, for the International Olympiads, SASMO and IMOCSE. Okay, so our new batches are starting from the SASMO and IMOCSE exams. And we are happy to associate with the Olympiad India, who are official partners for the SASMO and IMOCSE registration. Okay, what is the actually difference between the SASMO, IMOCSE and the normal Olympiads? The difference between them, these international Olympiads, they are more into reasoning part. Okay, so which enhance our mental ability, and as well as you can say that our mental ability, reasoning parts, it will improve our mathematics with respect to reasoning. Okay, so let's start our demo now. So I'm sharing my screen. So first, I will tell you what is the full form of the SASMO. SASMO are Singapore and Asian Schools Maths Olympiad. And IMOCSE, they are International Mathematics Olympiad competition of Southeast Asia. Okay, so let's start our topic now. Okay, so we are going to discuss the number sense. What are numbers here? How to expand them? Okay, so what is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, we are going to learn now these things. Do you know how many total digits you have? Yeah, look, everybody will say infinite. No, I'm talking about total digits. I'm not talking about total numbers. Okay, numbers are infinite, but when I'm talking about the digits, so how many digits we have? We have total 10 digits. Okay, so we have total 10 digits, and what are the those 10 digits? 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, all others number are made up of these digits only. If I'm talking about 2-digit number, that can be 10, that can be 11, that can be 12, up to 99. So we are using those digits: 10, 11, 12, 99. If I'm talking about 3-digit number, we are also using 1 and 0. So actually, there are 10 digits in our number system, in which we can see 9 is the largest digit. And what about the smallest? Someone will say 1 and someone will say 0. Now we'll tell you where we have to use a 1 and where we have to use a 0. Whenever we are forming a largest number, we will use the largest digit, which is 9. So we have to repeat 9. If I'm talking about 1-digit largest number, we will say 9. If I'm talking about 2 digits largest number, we will repeat 9. If I'm talking about 3-digit largest number, we repeat 999. Okay, we will repeat the 9 3 times. We will repeat the 9 4 times. We will repeat the 9 5 times, and so on. Whenever I'm talking about smallest number, so we will use 0 and 1. So I will show you how we use 0 and how we use 1. Okay, so here, what is the smallest 1-digit number? If I'm talking about 1-digit number, smallest 1-digit number is 1. But if I'm talking about smallest 2-digit number, 1 followed by 0. Because if I will follow 1 by 1, it will become 11. It is not the smallest digit. If I'm talking about smallest 1-digit number, you have to use 1. But if I'm talking about smallest 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, so 1 should be followed by zeros. 2-digit, 1 should be followed by 1, and it will be a 2-digit number. 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number, 1 should be followed by 2 zeros. Smallest 4-digit number, 1 should be followed by 3 zeros. Smallest 5-digit number, 1 should be followed by 4 zeros. What is the smallest 6-digit number? 1 should be followed by 5 zeros. Smallest 7-digit number, 1 should be followed by 6 zeros. 8-digit number, 1 should be followed by 7 zeros. 1 should be followed by 8 zeros in a 9-digit smallest number. Okay. So I hope now you are familiar with the smallest numbers. If I'm talking about smallest 1-digit number, you have to consider as a 1. Smallest 2-digit number, it will become 10. Smallest 3-digit number, it will become 100 and so on. Write the same thing we have already discussed, largest number. What is the largest 1-digit number? 9. Largest 2-digit number? 99. Repeat 9. Largest 3-digit number? 999. Largest 4-digit number? 9,999 and so on. We will repeat the 9 that we will find our largest number. If I have to find the largest 4-digit number, I have to repeat 9 4 times. If I have to find a largest 5-digit number, I have to repeat 9. Okay, 5 times. Got it? Now there is a question for you. You have to find the difference between greatest 2-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. What is the smallest 3-digit number? That's 100. What is the greatest 2-digit number? That's 9. In a smallest, I told you, that's 1 should be followed by 2 zeros. And smallest 2-digit number, I have to repeat 9 2 times. They are asking for their difference, so I will subtract them. 100 minus 9 is 99 is 1. Let's suppose they are talking about smallest 4-digit number. So 4-digit smallest number is equal to 4 times 9, right? Sorry, smallest is a 1 should be followed by 3 zeros. If I'm talking about 3-digit greatest number, that will be 999. If I have to find their difference, I will subtract them. I will get 1. Okay. Now, because this is an international Olympiad, so that's why I will tell you how to just like represent your numbers in an international value system. It is also known as a INU. It is a system for representing number that divides them into groups, or you can say into periods. Okay. Every period, each period consists of 3 numbers, 3 digits. These grouping or periods help us in accurately interpreting whose numbers. The international number system using comparable groups or periods. Okay, how will do that? How will start our number? 1 place, 10s place, 100 place. Okay, thousands place, 10,000 place, then 100,000 place, then million, 10 million, and 100 million, then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, and so on. So, what are the, look, if I will show you, I told you, every period is made up of 3 values. So, I have to just draw million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, and 100 billion like this. And ones, tens, 100 comes in a ones period. Thousands, 10,000, 100,000 comes in a thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 million comes in a millions period. Billions, 10 billions, 100 billions, they comes in a billions period. Okay. So every period consists of 3 values. So how will we just make a differentiate between? So I have to put a comma in between. Okay. I will tell you. Numbers names, the same. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and so on. And first comma is put after the hundreds position, and after that, every comma we will put after every 3 digits. Just like they have put it here. Let's suppose this is a number 936245817. So first I will start from the, you can say that we are going from right to left. So I will put 1, 2, 3. I will put my comma. 1, 2, 3. I will put my comma. 1, 2, 3. I'm not supposed to start from this left hand side. No, I have to always start from the right hand. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, like this. Thousands, 10,000, 100,000. After that, million, 10 million, 100 million. Like, see, you can say that. Okay, 7 is your ones. 1 is your at tens number. 8 is at your 100. 5 is at your 1,000 place. 4 is at your 10,000 place. 2 is at your 100,000 place. Then million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So let's suppose I will remove 9 from it. I have a 36245,817. Where I have to put a comma? I told you we have to start from the right. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma and leave it. So that's your ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000, million, and 10 million. Got it? So we will read as a 36,245,817. If I have to read this, that was my 900 million. So I will start from the 936,245,817. This is the way to read the numbers in international value system. Okay, got it? Now we are talking about place value. Okay, what is actually meaning of place? If you see, what is a place? What is your place? Where are you living? Right? 7 is living at a ones place. So 7 ones, it is called as a 7 ones. Because if you see ones place, tens place, 100 place, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000. Okay. Million, 10 million, and 100 million. So what is a place of 7? 7 is at a ones place. So 7 ones. What is a place of 1? 1 is at a tens. So place value of 1 is a 1 tens. That's a 1 tens means 1 0. What is a place value of 8? 8 is placing at a 100 place. So place value of 8 is a 800. What is the place value of 5? 5 is at a 1,000 place. So its place value is a 5,000. 4 is at a 10,000 place. So place value of 4 is 40,000. Place value of 2 is at a 200,000. 6 is at a million place. So place value of 6 is 6 million. And that's your 30 millions. That's your 900 millions. Okay. Now talking about what is a face value. Look, if I'm staying here or if I will go to Singapore, so does my face change? No. Face remains the same. No matter where are you going, where are you living. Okay. So that's why, because place value, where are you living? Okay. So we can change, but face value, our face will remain same. Okay. So that's like face value of number remains same no matter where it is. What its place value? Place value of 7, face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 1 is 1. Face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 9 is 9. Okay. So these all are, so again, place value where it is living, and face value just like your face, it will always same as the number. What is the face value of every digit is the same. Okay. So I hope you are familiar with the place value and face value. Now we are going to tell you about the expanded form. Expanded form means how we will write them. Just like I'm taking an example, 34,568. So where I need to put a comma, I will start from the end. So I will put my comma here. 8 is at a ones place, so I will write 8 at a ones. Place value of 6 is 60. Place value of 5 is 500. Place value of 4 is 4,000. Place value of 3 is 30,000. If you will add these values, you will get the same number. Expanded form means I have to write them in a expanded form. I have to expand them. Okay. I will tell you how will you get this value. If I will add 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 8, I am getting 34,568. Okay, so that's my number form. That's my expanded form. I have a ones, then 20, then 300, then 50,000. Then what will it become? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. So how will you read it? 650,000 and 381. Okay. So these all are the questions for you how to write in a expanded form. Okay. Now we will discuss about successor and predecessor. What is actually a successor? Okay. When you will get a success, when you are doing hard work, after that, what are you getting? That is your success. Okay, so just it is for you to keep in mind. Successor means comes after, and predecessor means just before. So if you have to find a successor of any number, you have to find a next number from the given number. If I'm talking about successor of 40, you will say 41. That next number you have to tell. Okay, we simply add 1 to find the successor. Okay, we simply add 1. So successor of 397 is 398. And predecessor means that comes just before the given number. Okay, let's suppose I have given 397. If I have to find predecessor, I will subtract 1 from it, or I have to find the previous number. That is a predecessor. Okay, so if I will ask you what is a successor of x, so next number always will be x plus 1. If I will ask you predecessor of x, so previous number, which you will get by subtracting 1 from it. So successor is the next number, predecessor is the previous number. For successor, you have to add 1 to it, and for predecessor, you have to subtract 1 from it. Got it, everyone? Now we are going to discuss even number, odd number, prime number, composite number. I hope you are familiar with the even and odd number. So even numbers are those numbers which come in a pairs. Just like if I will give you dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I have given you random dots. Okay. So I will make a pair. They are becoming a pair. They are making a pair. They are making a pair. They are making a pair. All values in it are making a pair. So it means the total number is a even number. Okay. Let's suppose I have a number 1, 2. I have some dots. Randomly, I have a dots. Are they coming in a pair? They are making a pair. They are making a pair. They are making a pair. But this I have left with 1 dot. So this is my odd number. Okay. The total is my odd number है. So numbers that end with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Because let's suppose these are countable. So sometimes you will get so many dots here. How will I count them? So I have count them. If they are ending with the either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, they are even numbers. Okay. So if we can group them in a pair of 2, they are making a even numbers. Right? For the large numbers, we have just conclude these things. The number ending with the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are making a even number. Let's suppose I have some pairs. Okay. Let's suppose I don't know. So I will make them pairs. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. Okay. This is a 5 and this is a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see that total is 20. They are ending with the 0. So any number, so we conclude this thing, any number which are ending with the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or which come in a pair, they are called as a even number. They are ending with the 2. So that's why this is a even number. I don't want to see what is after that. No. I have to check the only ending number. Okay. That's a 6. So that's a even number. That's a 8. So it is a even number. Okay. So an opposite of that, the numbers that end with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So these are the odd numbers which are not coming in a pair. One doesn't make a pair. If I will see 3, so one pair is there and one dot is left. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One is a pair, another pair, one is always left. Always one is left without a pair. So that's why these are odd numbers. The numbers ending with the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are odd numbers. So this is ending with the 3, this is ending with the 5, this is ending with the 1. So these are odd numbers. So obviously, so even numbers are those numbers which comes in a pair, and odd numbers are those numbers which don't come in a pairs. Only one is left. Okay. Just like I can give you one example. Let's suppose you have two toys. You want to gift two students. So you can just give them one to them. Okay. If you have a one toy, how can you just give them? You are not supposed to break that toy and half portion to one student, half portion to one student. No. So which you can't divide into two parts. Okay. So those will be odd numbers, and which you can make them into pairs. You can use into pairs, so you can divide equally into two students and like so on. So they are even numbers. Okay. Now, prime numbers and composite number. I hope this is a new topic for grade 3 students. Okay. So what are prime numbers? The prime numbers they are special like a prime members of the family, right? So what are prime numbers? The numbers which can be divided with the itself and one only without any remainder, which come in only their tables, which are divisible by that number itself. Just like 13. 13 comes in only table of 13. 17 comes in a table of 17. 3 comes in a table of 3. 2 comes in a table of 2. Okay. So 1 is a factor of every number. So we can take the numbers which can be divided with the 1 and that number itself without any remainders. Those numbers are called as a prime number. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. 2 is a prime number. It is the smallest prime even number. Rest of the prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. So if I'm talking 2 plays a very important role in our prime numbers, because 2 is the smallest only even prime number. Okay. And after that 3 comes in a table of 3 only. 4 comes in a table of 2. So that's why 4 is not a prime number. 4 is called as a composite number. 5 comes in a table of 5. 6 comes in a table of 2. So that's why it is a composite number. 7 comes in a table of 7 only. 8 comes in a table of 2 and 4. So that's why 8 are composite number. And 9 comes in a table of 9 is an odd number, but it's not a prime number. Why? Because 9 comes in a table of 3. So that's why which comes in another tables, they are called as a composite number. So after 9, 10 is also a composite number. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and these all are prime numbers which don't come in any other table. And what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are those numbers which come in other tables as well. Just like 4 comes in a table of 1. 1 is a factor of every number. So 4 comes in a table of 2 and 4. 6 comes in a table of 2 and 3 and 6. Look. Okay. So 8 comes in a table of 1, 2, 4 and 8. So these are my composite number, which have only 2 factors, 1 and that number. They are called as a prime numbers, which have more than 2 factors. Okay, they are called as a composite number. So 4 is the smallest composite number. 4, then 6, then 8, then 9, then 10, then 12, then 14, 15. Okay, these all are composite numbers. Got it? What are prime numbers and composite numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which come in their table only. Composite numbers are those numbers which comes in other tables as well. Okay, the prime numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and that number only. Composite which are carrying more than 2 factors, they are called as a composite number. Okay. Now I'm talking about rounded off. What is actually a rounded off? Rounded off means nearest. Okay, rounded off to nearest. So where are they? Just like if I will give you the number 74. Okay, so rounded off, we have to find nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands. Okay, let's suppose, so I will go to, if I'm talking about 74, it lies between nearest tens to 70 and 80. So tell me, where it is more nearest, 470 or 480? Okay, if you see that, if I will take the middle points, that's a 75. Okay, if I will go to 70, they have to go 4 steps. If we have to go till 80, he has to move 6 steps. Obviously, 4 steps is less. So it means it will be nearest to 70. If I'm talking about between 70 to 80, if I'm talking about 77, let's suppose, middle point is always take the middle point. That will make you easy for it. I'm talking about 77. So 77 has to move 3 steps only. And from 77 to 70, he has to move 7 steps. So which will be less? 3 steps will be less. It means it will nearest to 80. Okay. So by one number, we can conclude that if I will see the last number, if it is a 5 or more, it will be nearest to 80. It will be less than 5, it will be nearest to 70. Let's suppose I'm talking about 136. So I'm talking about the nearest 100. So it is 100 and 200. Okay. So I will take the middle points. That's a 150. So obviously 136 lies between 100 to 136. If I'm talking about 200, it has to move 36 points. If I'm talking about to 200, he has to move 10 minus 6 is 4, 64 points. Obviously, this will be less. So I have told you one trick for that. You will see its last point. Okay. If it is a more than 150, it will be nearest to 200. If it is a less than 150, it will be nearest to 100. And if it is 150, it is also nearest to 200. Got it? So what I will see, which obviously, let's suppose you are going to a market and there you feel hungry, okay? And your MACD is about 10 minutes run, and let's suppose your KFC is about 25 minutes at the run from your position. So where you will move? You are very hungry, you can't wait. So obviously you will move to MACD. Like this, where you have to move less steps, that will be your rounded off numbers. It will always, you have to find out rounded off to tens, hundreds, and thousands. Let's suppose I'm talking about 44. So 44 will nearest to 40 as compared to 50. So 44 is nearest to 40. Okay, got it? So I will see its last number. Let's suppose 43. It will also round it off to 40. If I'm talking about 49, it will round it off to 50. Okay, so it will round it off to 50. So I will see its last number. If it is a 5 or more than 5, I have to move the next one. Otherwise, I have to take the previous one. Got it? Now, let's time for practice. We will do 2-3 questions now. Which is the largest 5-digit even number we can form out of the digits? Okay, let's suppose these are the digits. I have to make a largest number. If we have to make a largest number, we always start from the largest number. That's a 9. After 9, which one is the largest? 8. After 8, which can you see the largest number? 5. Then 4. Then 1. This is my 5-digit largest number. If they are talking about largest, then I have to start from the largest number. If they are talking about smallest, so I have to start with the smallest number. So 1 is the smallest among all, then 4, then 5, then 8, then 9. This is my largest 5-digit number using the digits. This is the smallest 5-digit number using each digit only once. Okay, I have to use each digit only once. So this is my smallest 5-digit number. Okay, now what I have to do? They are asking for even number. But if this is odd number, how can I make it even? Where can I see the smallest even number, largest even number? That's this one. So if I will replace this with this, I will get the even number. 9, 8, 5, 1, 4. Yes, this will become my largest 5-digit number. Which one is even? Okay. So obviously this is a odd, this is ending with the odd, this is a odd. We are not supposed to take as an answer. This is ending with the 9. This is an odd number. We are not supposed to take it as. So these two numbers are there. Among this will be my answer. So C option is the correct answer for that. I hope you understand, right? Okay. Now my next question is that how many 2-digit even numbers can be formed using the digits of 2, 1, 2, 6. There are 4 digits, 2, 1, 2, 6. I have to make 2-digit number. Keep in mind, they have to make 2-digit number, ones place and tens place. So which 2-digit number can you make? I can make 21, then 12. I can make 12 and 21, reverse it. I can make 26, 62. Now I'm using this again. I'm getting 26 and 62. So they are talking about even numbers. Which even numbers can you see? I have to take one number only one time. So 26, 62, 12, fine. I can make 12. I can make 26. I can make 62. I can make 16. I can make 22. So can you make any other number? Okay, can you make? I don't think we can make. So if I can make only 5 numbers, then my answer will be 5. Okay. So let's take our next question. What is that? A book has 100 pages. How many digits are used to print the page numbers of the book? They are not asking about the numbers. They are asking about how many digits. Just like 0, they are using 1 digit. If they are using 12, they are using 2 digits, right? Like this, they are asking about how many digits are used to print the page numbers of the book. To print the page number of the books, how many 1-digit number we are using? 9 1-digit number you are using. 1 to 9, right? Obviously, pages are started from 1. So 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 1-digit number are you using. Okay. After that, after 9, 10, then 11, 12, up to 99. How many digits they are using? They are using here, how many numbers if you see that? How many numbers from 90 to 99? Total numbers are 90, right? Because 10, 11, 12, like this you can see that. You have to count 10 as well. You have to count 99 as well. So 92 digit number you are using here. After that, how many 3-digit number you are using here? 100. So if you see, you are using 9 digits here. So 9 multiply with the 1. You are using 2 digits number of 90. So 90 multiply with the 2. 180 digits you are using here. Third, you are using 3 digits number here. 3-digit one number is there. 1, 2, 3. 3. So how many total number of digits you are using? 192. This is a very, very important question, okay, of the international Olympiads. Okay, got it? Let's start next question now. Okay. What are next question? A 5-digit number is a palindrome. What is actually meaning of palindrome? Palindrome is a number which is same when we see from the backward or forward, just like 22. It remains same. 11, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2. Like this, you can say it is same from this side and from this side. Okay, a palindrome is a number that reads the same forward or backward. The number satisfies the following condition. They are asking about 5-digit number. So all are 5. You have to handle it smartly. Okay. So you can see that all digits are 5-digit number. Fine. Now, sum of first 3 digit is a 14. First 3 digit is 5, 8, 13 and 1, 14. There you can see 6, 6, 12 and 3, 15. This number can't be our answer. 6, 4, 10 and 2, 12. First 3 digit is 14. Can't be the answer. Now, sum of first 3 digits. Yes. 6, 4, 12 and 2, 14. Yes, it can be your answer. After that, 5, 6, 11 and 3, 14. This can be your answer. Correct? After that, what they are talking about? Fine. Third digit is half of the second. Third digit is 1. It is half. No. It is half. Yes. But it can't be your option here. So it is a half. Like this you can check. Sum of the second, third and fourth is 15. Second, third, fourth should be 15. 8, 5, 13 and 1, 14. It can't be our answer. This we already have rejected. Okay. 4, 4, 8 and 2, 10. 6 and 6, 12 and 3, 15. This is satisfying my condition. If I will see 5, 6, 3, 6, 5. First 3, sum of first 3 digit number is 14. Second, third, fourth, 6, 6, 12 and 3, 15. Third digit is half the second, right? That's also correct. It's satisfying all the conditions. That's why this will be my answer. Okay, everyone. So any doubt till now? Now, everyone, I'm going to share one quiz for you all. Okay. So I'm sharing, you all can do this quiz at home. Okay. So I'm sharing in the description box. I'm sharing in here in the chat box. You can say that. Okay. So I'm sharing in the description box. You can try all these things there. Okay. So I have shared it here if you can see here. Okay. So I'm sharing one quiz for you here. Please do that quiz. Okay. You can find this link in the description box as well. So for registration of joining our classes and applying for exams, you can fill the registration form, which is already given to you in the description box, which will always available in the description box. Okay. Then wishing you the best and hope to see you in our all live classes. Okay, everyone. Good evening. See you.